Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Today at Battery Guys Nation, we are installing a 2017 Toyota Corolla battery. You would need a 10-inch millimeter socket for taking off the bracket and also to the battery post. As you see here demonstrated here in this video, we are using a long extension as well, which makes the job a lot easier. And today for the install, we are having Matthew, which is known aka Matt, is the master installer for this project today. What we're doing first, we're mainly just taking off the bracket, which is located directly across the battery. Once you take the bracket off by using a 10 millimeter socket, then you want to proceed to take off the negative terminal with a 10 millimeter wrench, as demonstrated right here in this video. Take the ground off first, which is located as the negative. As you see too, you see that that battery terminal has a little corrosion on the bottom of it, so we'll take care of that later on. Next, use your 10 millimeter wrench to take off the positive terminal on this battery. Once you get the positive off, you should be able to lift this battery straight up. Okay, so what we're doing now, Matthew, he's going beyond customer service. We are cleaning the terminals for this customer to stop some of that corrosion. What you want to do is you want to run down to your local auto part place or your local Walmart and grab yourself some battery terminal cleaner with acid protector as well. And what we're doing now, we're mainly just cleaning the terminals to get some of that acid, some of that corrosion that's built inside these battery terminals, which also too will give you a very poor connection to your of your battery and your terminals. I mean, this customer is getting a very good customer service battery install today. So now we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery. You're looking for a great deal on a battery, please visit our website batteryguyswithaz.com and get yourself a earth-friendly battery delivered directly to your door at the cost, free delivery. And now what we're doing now is we're installing the positive terminals back onto this battery by using a 10 millimeter wrench, as demonstrated here in the video. Once you get that started, then put your negative terminal back on. Use that same 10 millimeter wrench, turn it clockwise, and tighten up that post. If this is your first time visiting our channel, if we're providing value to you, please like the value by liking the video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, because we do upload videos on a daily basis of all your makes and model of vehicles. You never know, you might have a friend or family member might need to install a battery. So what we're doing now, we basically just putting the battery bracket back on this this battery, and we're starting just by starting with the groove ourselves, just by using our fingers, just getting the bracket started with the bolts. Once we get it screwed on up pretty, like kind of tight a little bit, then we're going to use the 10 millimeter socket to tighten this bracket back down. And this is mainly what this bracket does. It basically keeps the battery safety and security in the engine, and just in case you're swerving or the car, you have an accident or whatever, it keeps the battery secured. Okay, looks like we got this bracket tightened up. This is how you install a 2017 Toyota Corolla battery. Wait for it. Wait for it. Is it ready to go? Alright, thumbs up, Dalton. Thank you for visiting Battery Guys.